Hey everyone, today we're at another warehouse having a hunt. Hot Wheels hunt. F case. Favourites. Yolo speed. Cases.
Yeah.
Lots of C cases. We're getting some cases down, people. Super alert. Probably, not yet, I don't know. You would have seen by the title if there was or not. Super! No, just joking. Thanks. Tim, do you want to just split them into piles?
Yeah.
Once they're all here?
Yeah.
And then we'll leave them here.
Just look through them.
Diecast that probably has a ball in it.
Okay.
Look through the shoes. This is a G.
Watch the bottoms open on it.
Yeah. Thanks. That's Diecast finally.
Let's see. Baller.
Mustang. Oh no, this is D, yeah.
Yeah, this is D. Oh, Coronet Super B there.
Sweet.
Weird. Nothing.
Pintage.
Nothing in that one. Try to look at the other side. You look through that one, those ones. Thanks. Thank you a lot.
Two regulars. Yeah. Oh, cool. A key case?
Got 3 Porsches, Toby.
3.
3.
What ones? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And that will be in the DP. What's this? F? G. Super Tim, super. Super treasure hunt.
Oh no.
68 Mustang. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Do you collect them?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
super.
Did you?
No,
Oh,
I was
got one. Yeah.
just gasping at you.
Oh yeah, buddy. Liam found one just the other day. Awesome. So that's my first super of the year. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Super treasure hunt. My first 2018 super. This doesn't even have a Nissan in the top. Yeah.
This one was the
No, nothing in there. Tim, this Q case doesn't have a Nissan in the top.
Really?
Fair Lady isn't in there. Oh my gosh.
That was super.
I'm shaking, man.
Lucky, bro.
Dude, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have you checked through this F case?
Don't find any more supers.
I'll try. Regular.
I think I did actually.
Did you look through that?
No.
That's the top.
Oh, it's my super. My case.
I know.
Oh.
This is F, Tim.
So.
It'll have the Indy 500.
Indy 500 now, and there was an Indy 500 on the other side too. So that one's empty.
What is it, numbers or letters? You can tell what's in the box.
Yeah. They've got different case codes. Have you looked through this one?
Oh yes, I think, yeah. So
Yeah,
have
it's
you
a
looked
G.
through all those ones?
I'm gonna get a regular as well.
Timmy, have you looked through all those ones?
Yeah, you can. If you
Wow,
want.
really? Just 2 boxes. Fair.
Yeah, I know what I'm looking for.
Crikey, super, bro! No way.
I can imagine. And you can be quite a way to find them.